Hey gamers and artists, welcome to this new and first video of this channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the most popular character in the anime and manga industry, Son Goku. Without any further complications, we start. We start by making our classic vertical line of the ship, then making a circle a little above the center of it. Once the circle is done, we continue with the lines of the face. All the lines have to hit the circle, except the one on the right. This is because we will make the character's ear. Once we have done the above, we continue with part of our character's neck. We continue with the neck of our character's shirt, having torn details, in addition to also making the character's neck along with all its details. We continue with the face. In this part we will focus on details such as the eyes, nose and mouth. For the eyes I used two curved lines joined to the eyebrow, straight lines for the eye and a semicircle for the pupil. We add the locks of hair that fall on the character's face and the expressions marks around the face. And if you want a reference for Goku's looks of hair, it could be a bunch of bananas. We make a few details in the chest area. Now we continue to the arm, which is full of muscles, along with the slit, the forearm, wristbands, and of course the hand. Also in the process we complete the torso, and continue with the other arm following the same process. We continue with part of Goku's damaged shirt. In addition to the belt bands, we complete what we are missing from the character little by little, such as the legs, arms, hands, and belt. Once we feel the drawing is very complete, we begin to add more details. My recommendation for this kind of drawings is that you try to make it identical to the original material. Many times it can be tedious, however, with effort and perseverance, it can be achieved. Adding details here and there, we finish the complete sketch of our drawing. So we continue with the outlining. For the whole drawing I use a 0.1 fine tip marker, and for a Legends style shading I used a black multi-marker letter M. We continue with the coloring. For this drawing I used only markers. For the skin color areas I used a peach color, and in the parts that needed shadow I accentuated the marker more. For the blue parts, I use a dark blue color for the shadows, a light blue color for the illuminated parts, and a default blue for the rest. As with the skin parts, I only use one color for the orange parts and accentuated it in the shadows. For the hair, I used two types of yellow colors, a light one for the light parts and a darker one for the dark parts. Also, for the aura, I used a yellow eyeliner, which I later accentuated with a yellow marker and made a gradient with a yellow pencil. And in that way, I finished this fabulous drawing. And this is the final result. Tell me what you think in the comments box. I hope you really liked this tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave your like, your comment, share the video with all your friends and subscribe to this wonderful channel so you don't miss any of these upcoming videos that are coming. So gamers and artists, until the day we met again, goodbye.